All right, I've cloned our pipeline and given it a new name. Let's bring the insurance data back in. And just as a reminder, we just have the 7 attributes with charges as our label. So we just worked with Poisson. Let's work with the Decision Forest and see how that works for us. We'll go ahead and let all of the columns come through. No need to clean missing. All right, let's take a look at our parameters for Decision Forest. We can live with the defaults. Now, because we're using a Decision Forest, we've got a choice of how we're going to resample. So we've got 2 choices here, bagging resampling and replicate resampling. If we click on the component information and take a look, we can see how those work. All right, so bagging, it's basically bootstrapping. We're going to create a new tree each time. So bootstrapping means we would basically use a good chunk of the data, but reserve some for internal testing as the tree is being built. The second one, the replication approach, we're building different trees, but we're building each tree on the same input data and making minor variations to the way the tree is built. All right. So let's go back and we can run this now. Once we've updated all our nodes. Tighten things back up so everything fits on one screen. We have to change the train model because we are now back to the insurance data set. So we want, instead of total number of accounts, we'll have charges. All right, let's give it a run and see how things look. Okay, our model has finished running. We can take a look at our scored data. We can take a look at our model evaluation. And we can see we've got an R squared of 0.8431. That's pretty good. And our other scores, we can compare those as well. And we can see the scored labels, we're off a little bit there, we under. Pretty close on that one. And yeah, it seems that a lot of these predictions are relatively close. So that's the Decision Forest regression. And we let it build 8 trees to a maximum depth of 32. And we could tweak these to see if allowing it to build more trees to a larger depth actually improves the model's performance. And that's where your model, your parameter settings will come into play. And we'll get into that as we continue on in the course. All right, let's check out and see what we would like to do next.